Hello, this is my reflection video over the statistics class. So right now, 3 questions to answer. So how have the activities and your interactions with your classmates and instructors shaped your understanding of statistics? So the activities let me know that statistics is more than just numbers. So I think the biggest thing coming in this class was I just thought I was going to have to read a few charts, not really understand how they work, just, numbers, and you get the mean or average, stuff of that nature. I thought it was going to be that, but it actually is a lot more into like when you do each graph, each charts. I mean, the biggest one I seen was from the, kind of the random ones, when we start talking about the, like gambling and the stuff in Vegas, a lot of the random like raffles you could do online. I mean, kind of learning from that and how, I seen a difference from when it was like set up, in order 1, 2, 3, 4 until where it made it random. And then I had numbers jumping all over the place. So seeing all that kind of just made me like realize that statistics and like just not just graphs and numbers, it's actually a process into, stuff we do. So, have I become more critical consumer of statistics? Yes, I know going over a few of the lessons here, we kind of learned that if they're, say if they're given this questionnaires, at a certain time, or you get into a certain people, you're going to get certain answers. So sometimes, like when I'm thinking about certain things, now that I'm looking or know that, hey, some of these surveys can be kind of favored towards whatever the consumer's trying to sell you or what they're trying to make you believe. So that's one of the biggest things. So say if they do like in a certain certain area of the United States or certain demographic, then yes, you're going to get the answer you want when you go from there. So that they're, and that made me see it a little bit more like, hey, some of these, they might say, hey, this many people, but yet where did they get these people from? Was it totally random? So I thought that there was actually pretty interesting learning. It makes me, think more about, say if I'm reading a survey and it's a 9 out of 10, well, where did these 9 or 10 come from? So, last question is, looking back on everything you have accomplished, what takeaways from this course do you have regarding statistics? Pretty much what I touched on the last question was just, learning more just about charge graphs, statistics overall, because like I said, most statistics, like I said, you just see a chart, you see the numbers, and you don't think any further than that. You just go from what the eye sees, which, like I said, gets the consumer and gets you to buy or believe into anything that they're selling you at that point. So that's pretty much the biggest thing I took away from this class here. Great class. I had fun learning. Challenging, very challenging at times, but like I said, it's class and it's supposed to teach you. So thank you. Have a good night.